So, a very good morning, Vivites. I hope I am audible to everybody. We duly apologize for the delay in this live session on the Q&A of products because of some technical snags actually. So let us start my session now. As you all know that this is a question answer session series that is going to start from today on a regular basis. On the first day today, we will be having a talk about iPulse. So tomorrow will be the iCoffee and the list continues. So the next Monday again iPulse is going to be there. So the other important thing I want to tell you here is, I will be talking about a good concept initially, followed by your question and answers, followed by, I will be taking your questions actually and I will be answering. So my teammates will be supporting me in answering these questions actually. So and apart from this, suppose if most of the questions cannot be answered on the same day, we have the iPulse day which is scheduled on next Monday again, where we will be able to take our your questions and deliver answers to you actually. So this is how exactly the process is going to happen. So without wasting much time, let us start the session today. So when I'm speaking about the product for about 5 minutes from now, so you can in fact raise your questions, you can type your questions and send it to me so that I'll be able to answer it after I end my session by 5 or 6 minutes from now. I hope you got the point. You can start raising your questions immediately right now. By the end of the session, so how much ever questions that we have got, we will consolidate and I'll be able to answer you. So this is how exactly the process is going to happen actually. I hope you got the point. Well friends, today let us start with Indus Viva's flagship product, that is iPulse. As you all know, iPulse is a multi-fruit blend in a concentrate form, which is nothing but an antioxidant fruit blend consisting of 15 fruits, which is a very good immuno-booster drink as well. Well, the first and the foremost thing I want to talk today is about the concept of immunity itself. Well, nowadays, due to the coronavirus scenario or the situation, the immunity concept is pretty much spoken around the world actually. Well, what is exactly immunity? See, immunity is actually a situation where the body gets resistance against an organism, which might be a virus, bacteria, or any foreign body. This is what exactly immunity is all about. Well, to talk further more about immunity, basically there are two types of immunity, which is called as, one is called as active immunity, the other is called as passive immunity. So active immunity again is divided into two types called as natural immunity and artificial immunity. Again, passive immunity is again of two types called as natural immunity and artificial immunity. If I have to talk about natural immunity, whenever the immunity comes with the help of the use of drugs like antibiotics, they're exactly called as active immunity, where antibodies are produced in your blood because of the use of antibiotics. Similarly, whenever an antibody is developed inside your body because of the use of vaccines, this is exactly called as artificial immunity. Well, with this, I want to take you to the next step of immunity, which is exactly called as herd immunity. H-E-R-D, herd immunity. So this is one of the important concepts which is gearing up in the world today, herd immunity. Have you ever heard of herd immunity? Which is a new concept actually. Even in the countries like US, herd immunity is on the front run now. So what exactly happens in case of herd immunity is, there are so many articles which are being published in the newspapers as well as the journals these days regarding the herd immunity. Well, herd immunity is something like, you can get immunity or resistance when you fight a disease or a condition for a certain period of time. For example, in ancient India, if you see, people died of smallpox, people died of a plague, people died of cholera. All these things were caused by viruses, but eventually at some particular point of time, they developed immunity to such conditions, which is exactly called as herd immunity. See, even in case of coronavirus crisis, what we are going through right now, this is one important thing, that we have to go along with the disease now. It is no more that we are sitting ourselves in one particular place, isolated, not coming out of the house or venturing into things, eventually we have to develop some kind of an immunity, which is exactly called as herd immunity. I want to tell you one more important point here. Herd immunity is a thing which comes not only because of vaccination. Herd immunity can also come because of the use of immune booster products. Well, immune booster products is the one which can bring about herd immunity. So I hope you got my point. Products like iPulse or whatever the products that we have in our company, when used for a regular routine consumption, we always get this herd immunity. This is very important. So herd immunity is a thing like whenever you consume immune boosters, the body itself can develop some kind of a resistance against these viruses and bacteria. This is where exactly herd immunity plays a very important role. By the regular consumption of our products, you can definitely get the resistance that you want against any kind of disease, which is very important in the present day lifestyle or the situation to get rid of the diseases. This is what exactly herd immunity is all about. Well, I hope you got my point. So please regularly use our products to get this herd immunity and definitely get resistance against different kinds of virus and bacteria. Well friends, going ahead, there are a lot of immune boosting foods in your diet as well. The first and the foremost thing is the consumption of green tea, use of berries, which also includes strawberries, use of the vegetables or fruits which are rich in antioxidants. Citric fruits is also one thing that you can use. Green leafy vegetables, especially like spinach, can also be used in such situations. So, coming back to the main point of iPulse, which is the use of acai berry. Acai berry is one thing which is very important component of iPulse actually. So, acai berry is a berry which is actually found in the Amazon forests of rainforests of South America, where it is indigenously growing there, and the tribes of the Amazon forests are using this acai berries for a long time now. The next important thing is it is a very good antioxidant and a cardioprotective ingredient, and it is having one of the best ORAC scores in the world, which reaches above 100,000, which is 1,000 times more than your watermelon, which is a very important thing. And acai berry, as you know, is also a very good immune system supporter. And apart from that, it is also inspired by the space drink AS10, which is developed by the NASA, and it is also used as a food for centuries, especially validated by more than 60 scientific papers. So this is exactly what acai berry is meant for. And as you all know, acai berry is the prime ingredient in iPulse, followed by 15 fruits. So totally the iPulse contains 15 fruits along with acai berry, as everybody knows, and it is a very good immune booster product. Well, apart from this friends, what I would like to tell you here is one word that everybody has to know in the field, all the distributors have to know, is build your resistance with the help of iPulse. This should be your mantra. Build your resistance by the use of iPulse. If this mantra is correctly followed, automatically you can get rid of all kinds of viral or bacterial diseases. I hope my point is clear to you all. Well friends, as I have already previously told you many times, it is always better to consume 30 ml of iPulse twice daily. That is half an hour before breakfast in the morning and half an hour before dinner in the night for beneficial results. And iPulse is also, it is considered consisting of fructose sugar and not the regular sugar. iPulse can also be safely consumed by people with diabetes, hypertension, pregnant women, and during lactation also. So that is the reason why iPulse is a general health supplement which can definitely give you resistance against all kinds of invading microorganisms like virus and bacteria. I hope I have made my points clear. So thank you very much for this patient listening. Now let us start with the question and answer session. So my teammates, today Ms. Santoshini, my teammate, is able to note down your questions, and she'll be sending me a list of questions now which I'll be answering to you. So thanks for patient hearing. Just wait for some time. Once we have the question list ready, so we will be able to answer your questions. Please be online. Preetham's question on how many days can we use apples to boost our immunity. This is a very important question actually. See, immune boosters are such substances which has to be taken on a daily routine in order to boost your immunity. This is one important thing that I wanted to sugar. It contains fructose or the fruit sugar in the fruits. Therefore, fructose is having low glycemic index as compared to sucrose. Therefore, definitely apples can be used by people with diabetes in order to gain benefits out of apples. This is a very important thing. So, I am going to take the next question now from Mr. Mohit Prasad, who has talked about breast tumor and apples. Again, I want to tell you, dear friends, cancer is a condition which is very much spreading. It is spreading from stage to stage. We call it as metastasis of cancer. And automatically, apples is a very good antioxidant and immune booster and can be routinely used in any kind of cancer conditions in order to get relief from the side effects of the cancer as well as provide a quality of life to the people. This is where exactly we have a very good notch with the cancer. Well, my dear friends, the next question is from Jaipandi. Which are the patients not recommended to use apples? This is a very important question actually. See, as such, antioxidants and immune boosting supplements can be given to each and every person, irrespective of what kind of a condition it is. You can give it to all kinds of patients irrespective of whatever the condition it is. This is how exactly apples can help us out. Well friends, the next question is from Mr. Manjit. Can kidney disease be managed? I hope my voice is clear. I hope my voice is clear to everyone. Can someone write a comment stating that my voice is clear? Okay. So can someone in the comments clear that my voice is clear? My video and the voice is clear. Please give a thumb. Okay, thank you very much. Well, I was talking about one of the other questions, Mr. Manjit, who has asked about kidney disease and apples. See, one thing I want to tell you here. See, normally in any case of kidney disease, suppose if the person is undergoing dialysis, it is always not advisable to give any kind of a product during the day of dialysis. But on the other days, without the dialysis, the people can definitely give our products for beneficial results. So, the next thing is from Ms. Nandini. So, Ms. Nandini has asked that apples causes cough and cold after consumption. This is the other recurrent question that the people are actually asking me. Well, these kinds of respiratory problems can happen only when the product is actually given in very cold condition. See, very cold condition, in fact, when the product is actually kept in the refrigerator and taken out and drunk immediately, such problems can inherently happen. Well, this is one important thing that I have to tell you. Always try to keep the bottle in the room temperature itself and then start using it so that nobody is affected with any kind of respiratory infections. This is important. So the next thing is, there is a question from Ms. Suman actually. So how many months iPulse to be used? As I previously said, antioxidants and immune boosting supplements can be used for long periods of time actually. But as a general rule and as per our clinical trials, it is always important to use the supplements at least for 90 days or 3 months to get beneficial results. And one more important question that I've got. So is there any allergic conditions or allergic reactions where this particular product can be used? Well, definitely for any kinds of histamine allergies, this particular product can be used safely. And one more thing I want to tell you, my dear friends, that allergies or allergies caused by the product is very minimal always, because these are all antioxidants and wellness supplements where the allergies which are caused by the products are very minimal and everybody can use the products very safely and effectively. Well, my dear friends, what we would like to do now is, we have taken down your questions. We will be very much happy to answer all your questions. But one thing I want to tell you here, we will be finishing with iPulse as on today. Tomorrow I will be coming back with iCoffee again. You can get ready with your questions. As and when I speak about a concept in the beginning, you have to fill in your questions and send us so that we will be able to record it and answer the questions to you. Well, my dear friends, don't worry about it. If your questions are not answered today, the next coming Monday, where again the iPulse questionnaire will be there, question answer session will be there, we will be able to answer your questions. Definitely we will be able to answer that. So let us meet tomorrow again at 11 o'clock sharp in the morning to discuss the question and answers of iCoffee. So thank you very much for your patient hearing. Thanks very much for all your questions. Thank you very much. This is Dr. Balu Kolar here, Head of Product Development, logging out from the desk at Indus Vivo's office, corporate office in Bangalore. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. Bye. Have a nice day.